it's your girl Charbon, and as you can see by the title of this video, I'm about to do a prank on Javon. It's just a random prank. I'm going to terrorize him while he's in the shower. I don't know what to name this prank, but I'm gonna find something to name it. But I'm basically going to be dumping flour, cornmeal, everything I can think of. I'm gonna dump it on him while he's in the shower. He's in the shower right now, actually. So yeah, I'm gonna dump everything I can think of on him, and then when he gets out of the shower, it's gonna be a rude awakening. I'm gonna have cooking oil all over the floor because we don't have baby oil, so I'm gonna have oil all over the floor. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some canola oil. I'm going to use some flour and some cornmeal. I think I'm gonna put it in a cup just to mix it all together so I can just pour it on him. So let me find a cup. Alright guys, so I have my mixture. This is cornmeal and flour. So right now baby's in the shower. I'm going to take the cornmeal and I'm going to take the cooking oil, and we're going into the restroom. So catch me in there, guys. Guys, I forgot one more thing. I'm going to throw eggs on him. So, we got some. I'm just going to take the whole carton. I'm going to be throwing about two to 3 eggs on him. So, yeah, guys. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, guys. Y'all hear him? So guys, I've got everything that I need. First, I'm going to just go in there and just be like, hey babe, what you doing? Or not what you doing, but hey babe, I'm in here, whatever. And I'm going to put the cooking oil on the floor first. And then I'm going to pour the oil on the floor. I'm going to put the oil on the floor and then pour the flour stuff on him. Here we go. Hey, babe.
What's up, babe?
What you singing?
Huh?
What you singing? Oh, okay.
Baby girl, just let me smile, yogi. Anything you like. Long as you're right, let me alright. What's he doing?
What you doing?
I'm singing. What you doing?
I'm singing too.
What you singing?
Huh?
Sing with me. Baby girl, let me smile, yogi. Anything you like.
Baby girl, let me spoil yogi. Everything you like.
Long as you're right, let me alright.
Long as you like me, right?
Me and nobody, let me drive you.
Let me enjoy you.
Ush, 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 ush.
Ush, 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 ush.
You stupid.
Hmm?
You stupid.
You stupid.
Oh, shit. Nobody feel it for me. Yeah.
Hmm?
Baby girl, that's let me spoil you.
Here we
Anything
go.
you like. Long as you're right, let me right.
Long as you like me, right?
Let me try you.
Let me.
Try you. Long as you're let me right.
Long as you like me, right?
You stupid, baby. Let me try you. Yeah, what the babe! Babe, what the babe!
What you doing?
Hey, man, come on, man. What is this?
What?
Babe, you put a flower on me, man.
No, I didn't, babe.
Babe, this is shit. What the hell?
What?
Bumbo clock, you the girl. Sure.
Huh?
Yo, you pushing my hair, yo. What the hell? Babe, what is you doing?
What you doing, babe?
Babe, this is not funny, yo. This is not funny. Babe, what the hell is you doing, man?
What?
Babe, is this cornmeal?
Let me see. What you talking about?
Hey, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing?
What you doing?
What is he doing? Why you playing, man?
What you talking about?
You put shit in my head, girl. Oh.
Babe, no, I didn't.
Babe, what is he doing?
What is you doing?
Babe, it's not funny.
Ha!
What is he doing? Babe, I'm naked, babe. What the is he doing? Babe, I'm naked. I'm gonna you. Stop. Stop. Babe, you point egg. Are you stupid? Babe, what is I'm gonna babe, chill. Babe, chill, man. I'm naked, man. What is he doing?
What is you doing?
Man, why is he playing? I'm naked. Chill out. I'm naked. Chill out. What is he doing?
What you doing?
Are you doing a video or something?
It's a prank.
Babe, I'm naked. What is a prank? I'm naked. Chill out.
It's okay.
Bro, look at my hair, yo. Why you don't want to play in the early morning, man? Ah!
It felt.
Oh,
What? What?
what is he doing?
What you?
Man, I'm naked, man. Chill out. Hey, what is he doing? Hey, what is he doing, man? Chill out, man. Man, I swear to God, I'm a bro. I'm fucking you, bro. This is not funny, bro.
Man.
Stop recording me, man.
Man, look at the thing.
What? Man, stop recording me, man. Stop recording me, man. Chill out, chill out. Chill out.
Whoa.
Man, chill out, man. What the fuck is he doing, man?
Whoa.
Hey, stop recording.
A two-step.
Bro, stop recording,
A two-step. Whoa.
Babe, stop recording, man.
Whoa. We gotta blur out a lot. Yeah, babe, put that on. Put that around you. Put that around you.
Fuck, bro, but like, what the man?
Babe, put that around
Can't
you.
move, man.
Oh.
Babe, stop playing.
Whoa. Whoa. It's a prank. It's a
What
prank.
is he doing, man? It's a prank.
It's a prank. It's a prank, man. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Go on about your business. It's just a prank.
What the
It's a prank. Hi.
Babe, this can't, what?
Babe, they asked for it. Whew. It's a prank. Guys, look at him.
This is not a prank, babe. You can't post this on V2, man. I'm naked, bro. Babe, this is not.
Babe, it's a prank. I love you. I love you.
Bro, you got that my hair.
Babe,
Man.
it'll wash out. Bless you. Ooh. Ooh, it's messing up your sinus, huh?
Bro, this is not funny, babe. What is he doing?
What you doing? Babe, it's just a prank.
Bro, you're so stupid, bro. That's
You
not funny, man.
stupid.
Bro, get the camera out my face, bro.
Babe, it's a
I
prank.
don't give a
It's a prank.
bombo clap the camera, man.
What?
Yo, got them bombo clap the camera, man. I'm here, man.
Oh.
Yo, I'm naked, boy.
Babe, they can't see you.
Bro, this not funny, bro. This not funny, bro. For real.
Look at me. Oh, Stafford.
This is not funny, bro. Turn the camera off, man.
It is funny.
Who gonna clean this up?
You.
Man, turn the camera off, bro.
Babe, it's okay.
Yeah, turn the camera. Yo, turn the camera. Yo, lock out the camera, man. Lock out the bombo clap camera, man.
Okay, calm down.
Yo, G. I ain't wanna go in there, but I'm gonna drop, bro.
Whew. I'm tired.
Not funny, babe. Like, what kind of shit is this?
Babe, it's a
You
prank.
can't post this on YouTube, babe. I'm naked, bro.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Bro, what the f?
Ooh.
Bro, look at my hair.
Y'all, he mad.
Look at my hair, bro. I just washed my hair, bro. Look at my hair, bro. This is not funny, bro. This is not funny.
Babe, you
bro.
always have to.
This shit this shit
Who you
funny,
talking
bro.
to?
I'm talking to you.
Who you talking to?
Damn, it's like, what kind of prank is that?
You stupid.
I'm naked, bro. Like, what kind of shit is that, yo?
It's okay.
Washing her shit, you. This is not funny, yo.
It's okay, babe.
Babe, can you clean this up so I can finish showering, please?
Huh?
Who gonna clean this shit? Babe, turn the camera off.
I can't.
Babe, turn the camera off, man.
Okay, babe. Let me end it. Woo, y'all, it's hot, babe. How did it get so hot?
Bro, you play too much, bro. Like, what the hell? Look at my hair, bro. Who gonna clean this shit up, bro?
Babe, I'll help you. It's hot. Y'all look at me sweating, babe.
Babe, you pour flour, man. This is flour and cornmeal. What the f*** are you tripping, bro?
Where does heat come from?
You fuck you mean where's he come from?
It's hot, babe. You got hot water running in there?
Babe, you play too much, man. Chill out, man. Turn that camera on, man.
I got you. Alright, guys. As you can see by babe's reaction, which is very funny, I gotta blur out a lot.
Bro, come clean this shit up. I gotta finish showering, bro.
Babe,
you play too
just walk back in there.
You play too much, bro. You play too much, man. What kind of prank is this?
Babe, it's a funny prank.
It's not no damn funny prank.
Yes, it is.
More like an exposed prank.
What you mean?
I'm naked, bro.
Babe, it's okay. Everybody be naked.
It means okay. You keep saying it's okay like she's not funny.
Babe, everybody be naked.
Alright, babe. This all you want to play? This all you want to play? This all you want to play?
What you talking about?
This all you want to play?
Who want to play?
Alright, babe. Say less. I don't give a fuck.
Say less what?
No, turn that camera off, bro. Turn the camera off.
Huh?
Turn
Okay.
the camera off, babe. Like, stop showing me, man.
Okay.
You play too much, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro?
Alright, guys, if y'all like this prank I did on Bae, comment Team Shavon in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And, Bae, why you looking at me like that? What you want to say? What you want to do?
Funny,
what you want to do?
It's not funny.
It is funny, babe.
Bro,
it's funny.
Come clean this shit so I can finish already.
Babe, I'm gonna clean it up.
I don't know. You the one that thought about this prank. You should have thought about how you gonna clean it up.
I didn't think that far.
You didn't think that far?
No.
You better come knock your head two times so I can clean this shit up.
Babe, I gotta go to work.
I don't give a you gotta go to work. You about to be late for work.
I can't be late.
Shit, come clean this stuff up, bro.
Babe, I can't.
Bro, come clean it. Yo, say goodbye to the camera and come clean this stuff up, bro. She's not funny, bro.
Okay, I'm coming.
She's not funny, bro. Go clean this camera, bro.
Clean the camera up.
Bro, man, you know what I mean. Clean this shit up, bro.
Ooh, it's eggs all on the floor.
Bro, clean this shit up, bro.
Babe, did they even bust on you?
What?
Did the eggs even bust on you?
I don't even know. That shit hurt.
It looked like they busted on the ground. Doing it. Wow. Ooh, it's cornmeal all over the camera.
You ain't thought about it, right? You just dumb shit.
Alright, guys. So, yeah, I'm about to end this video right now because I don't want it to be too long. But, yeah, guys. We love you. I love you. He love you. We love you.
She's not funny, bro.
But how did you feel about that prank?
She's not funny, bro.
What you mean?
She's not funny.
Alright, guys. Peace.